today we are going to learn how to create a music puzzle using Oh My Dots. A music puzzle is a fun and innovative game that challenges your musical memory to solve a puzzle. It is like a jigsaw puzzle, but with music. First, head to Oh My Dots. Oh My Dots is a great and free website where you can create as many free word and puzzle games as you like. All games are free to play and print. Let's select the music puzzle. The first step is to choose a picture. I already downloaded and saved a nice picture that matches the song I chose, but you can pick any picture you like. Now let's choose a song. I also already downloaded and saved the song Morning Mood from Peer Gynt. I guess everybody knows this song. Next, we can crop the picture. I will try to make the picture not too wide so that it works well on both mobile phones and laptops. Perfect. Now let's configure the game. I think 15 pieces would be too much, so I will go with 8 pieces instead. Just drag the slider or use the buttons to select the number of pieces. Next, we will adjust the part of the song that plays for each piece. By clicking on the waveform, you can listen to each music segment. The first piece starts in the middle of the song. Let's move the start to the very beginning. That sounds better. Now, let's adjust the duration of each piece. Usually, we want each piece to last 1 or 2 measures so that the musical phrase feels self-contained. Let's hear how each piece sounds. I think we can decrease the duration just a tiny bit. You can use the controls on the right or simply drag the lines in the waveform. Nice! Every piece starts with a different musical phrase. Now, let's try the game and see how it feels. Press the start button to test it out. This is how a player would usually play the music puzzle. By listening to each piece, we try to match it to the correct part of the song. It might sound easy, but that is because we created the puzzle ourselves. When playing a new game, it is harder than it looks. Let's stop the simulation and press the Create button to save the game for sharing. We can give our game a name. I will simply use the name of the song, Morning Mood from Peer Gynt. Now that the game is saved, we can share it by copying the link or pressing any of the share buttons. We can also try the game ourselves by pressing the play button. Well, that's it. Only at Oh My Dots you can create free music puzzle games. Have fun!